Hi friends, today we are discussing about keyboard functions and terms. This section briefly explains the key functions of this instrument to help you better understand the overall capabilities. At first, styles, rhythm and auto accompaniment. The PSR X900 features a variety of accompaniment and rhythmic backing patterns called styles. In a variety of different musical genres, including pop, jazz, and many others. Styles feature sophisticated auto accompaniment patterns, letting you produce automatic accompaniment playback simply by playing chords with your left hand. This lets you automatically recreate the sound of a full band or orchestra, even if you are playing by yourself. The next is voices, individual sounds of the instrument. The PSR X900 features a wide variety of exceptionally realistic instrumental voices, including piano, guitar, strings, brass, wind instruments, and more. The voices can be played manually on the keyboard, and they are also used by the styles, MIDI songs, and multipads. Keyboard parts. These are 4 keyboard parts for your manual performance. Left, right 1, 2 and 3. Each part has one voice. You can combine these parts by using the part on-off buttons to create luscious instrument textures and convenient performance combinations. You can change the keyboard range of the parts by changing the split point. Multipads. Adding musical phrases to your performance. The multipads can be used to play a number of short pre-recorded rhythmic and melodic sequences that can be used to add impact and variety to your keyboard performances. Multipads are grouped in banks of 4 phrases each. Moreover, the audio link multipad function allows you to create unique new pad content with your own audio data for playing back during your performance. Songs. Playing back MIDI or audio files. For this instrument, the term song refers to MIDI or audio data such as preset song, commercially available files, etc. Not only you can play back a song and listen to it, but you can also play the keyboard along with the song playback. Song playback features 2 modes: song player mode and song list mode. Song player plays back 2 songs, one MIDI song and one audio song, simultaneously and allows for a smooth transition between the two. Song list. Playback songs continuously according to a previously created song list. Mic or guitar connections. Sing or play along with the keyboard performance. By connecting a microphone to my guitar jack, you can enjoy singing along with your keyboard performance or with song playback. The instrument outputs your vocals through the connected speaker system. Moreover, the PSR X900 features an vocal harmony synth vocoder function. You can automatically apply various vocal harmony effects to your voice as you sing. Use the synth vocoder feature to graft the unique characteristics of your voice onto synthesizer and other sounds. Let you connect an electric guitar. You can even use powerful DSP effects to process the guitar sound instead and play that along with the keyboard sounds. Registration memory. Saving and recalling custom panel setup. The registration memory function allows you to save virtually all panel settings to a registration memory button. Then instantly recall your custom panel settings by simply pressing a single button. The registered settings for 8 registration memory buttons are saved as a single registration bank. Playlist. Managing large amount of songs and settings. The playlist function makes it easy to manage and call up your songs and the related settings, no matter how numerous. The playlist allows you to recall a specific song from more than 8 songs by a single step. Up to 2,500 songs can be registered in the playlist, and you can call up the panel settings corresponding to each song by one tap. Recording. Recording your performances. The instrument allows you to record your performance and save it as a MIDI file in a SMF format. The instrument also lets you record your performances as audio data to internal user drive. In addition, MIDI recording also features 2 convenient recording methods: quick recording and multi-recording.